Safety First GPX Builders Series doors provide the ultimate vision, transparency, and fire protection from 20 to 90 minutes. Proudly USA made in our state-of-the-art manufacturing facilities in Merced, California, our doors meet all the fire, safety, and temperaturized door requirements for any application. They can be further modified to include ballistic protection as well. The GPX Builders Series doors have the largest tested and listed size for full vision, fire-rated doors with a maximum height of 10 feet. It's available in standard and narrow frame profiles with a 10-inch ADA compliant bottom rail, which can be modified with AHJ approval. Multiple finish options, including high-performance finishes from PPG, stainless steel, and aluminum clad, are available to meet many design requirements. The GPX Builders Series doors have standard and custom hardware packages that offer the most flexibility in the industry. Because Safety First is a vertically integrated, single-source, USA-based manufacturer of fire-rated glass and framing systems, we accommodate various conditions and performance requirements that other suppliers simply cannot. Our doors are shipped fully prepped with the hardware already installed to the fullest extent allowed by the hardware supplier or manufacturer. Here's a short video that shows how to install our GPX Builder Series doors on any job site with ease. Before you start, make sure that you have reviewed our shipment and receiving instructions that came with your products. These instructions are designed to ensure a partnership in the handling of your purchase. Check the enclosed packing list to make sure that you have received everything in your order. Typical parts of the GPX Builder Series doors may include door frame, doors fully prepped and hardware installed, closer arm and strike to be installed in the field, removable stops, glazing tape, setting blocks, screws, smoke and weather seal, mineral wool, fire-rated glass, which is crated separately. It is important that the door frame is installed properly and that the opening is level, square, plumb, and all measurements are consistent with the shop drawings. Check shop drawings for opening measurements and door handing. Measurement taken must be from the top to bottom of vertical jamb, overall door opening width and height of frame. Measure the height and width of the doors, making sure it matches the shop drawings. Pack perimeter of the frame with provided mineral wool. Stand the door frame upright and install into the opening. Take both sides of the jamb and make sure it is level, square, and plumb to the opening. Shim accordingly. Place steel shims behind each mounting location. Once the door frame is level, square, and plumb, drill through the top mounting hole if needed to set the first mounting screw. Use the provided anchors. Check for square by measuring from the top left corner to the bottom right corner, then the top right corner to the bottom left corner. Continue the door frame installation using the provided anchors. Measure periodically, making sure it is level, square, and plumb. Make adjustments if necessary. Attach glazing tape to fix stops on the door. Attach glazing tape to the removable stops as well. Butt the tape neatly at the corners. Lift and set the door on a block, installing the top hinge first. Use the fasteners provided. Start by installing one fastener in each hinge. Once all hinges are aligned, complete the hinge installation process. Hinge shims may be required. Once the door is hung, check the swing to make sure the gaps are consistent with the shop drawings and within tolerance. Also, check to make sure the door is opening and closing smoothly. Set 2 setting blocks placed approximately 3 inches from each side on center at the bottom of the glass pocket. Lift the glass with suction cups and lay gently on the setting blocks. Begin installing removable glass stops on the door with the screws provided in the part box. Start with the vertical removable stops and then the horizontal removable stops. Use the pre-drilled holes on the removable stops when attaching them to the door. Once the removable stops are in place, begin installing the closure arm. Continue by installing the strikes. Apply the smoke and weather seal on the inside perimeter of the frame. Check the swing again. Adjust the closer so the required door opening force is satisfied. 30 pounds of force to set in motion, 15 pounds of force to complete the swing. Reference the door's installation instructions when adjusting the swing and latch speeds. Adjust the strikes if necessary. Complete the perimeter seal installation. Pack void with provided mineral wool and caulk with silicone. Thank you for watching this short video. We invite you to learn more about our products and services at www.safety.com or give us a call at 888-653-3333.